how to make an extra $100 a day selling digital products. So this can be a Canva template, this can be printables, this can be Notion templates, and today I'm going to share with you how I do this average on my shop. So I do have an Etsy shop and I do have my own website as well, and I make daily sales on both of them. So if you are a service provider or if you are just looking for a way to turn your knowledge into a digital product that can be helpful for someone and bring you some extra income at the end of the month, so I'm gonna share with you how you can do that in a strategic way, and let's get started. The great thing about digital products is that you only have to create them once. Yes, it does take a lot of work. It's not as easy as some people make it look, but once you have that product created, you can resell that over and over again, and you can just focus on the marketing, on just getting that product in front of the right people. But it's something that is scalable. It doesn't need you selling that product all the time if you set the right systems. The first thing I would consider is picking a niche, not only a niche that I have expertise on, but also a niche that there's people looking for it, for those products, and that you are also passionate about, that you are interested about, because it's something that is going to take you time to create, to develop the product, and to learn. You're gonna have to learn things. So when you pick a niche that you are genuinely interested at, it makes things so much easier and so much fun. So think about, what do you have experience in, what are you excited about learning, and who do you feel excited to help. The second thing is to actually come up with ideas, for product ideas for your shop. And a way that you can do this more strategically is to create products that go well together. So instead of just like launching different types of templates without any focus or without any strategy, focus on helping a group of people and create different types of digital products for that same group of people to start with. That doesn't mean that in the future you can't change, you can't expand. This is just to make it easy on you as well, because you are starting out. There's so many things that you need to do. So focus on helping just one group of people and design a product suite that helps them. And when you are developing your product suite, your shop, your template ideas, try to include different price points. So you can include a premium template that you can charge more. It can be like an all-in-one template and something that is more comprehensive. Also include templates that are cheaper and smaller, just like let's say you are creating an all-in-one template for teachers. This could be a premium version of it, and you can break this template into smaller pages, like a lesson planner or a social media planner or something like that, and you can charge less for that. So you have different price points on your shop for your customers. And as you start growing your shop and having a lot of products, one thing as well that works really well is to create bundles. So you basically create a bundle with all products that you have, all the small versions and everything, and you can also bundle with services. If you offer consultations, or if you offer a coaching program or a course or something like that, you can bundle that with your programs as well, with your other digital products. The reason why this works is because when someone goes on your shop, let's say they are a teacher, they go on your shop, they are not gonna find just one template there. They will find different templates that solve specific problems that they have, and this makes it very likely for them to buy more templates from you, not just like just one or two, but they can also come back to your shop later on to buy more from you. And the third thing here is about creating high quality digital products. So the market is overcrowded with low ticket and low quality digital products, and this is a chance that you have to stand out and create products that are high quality, that actually solve a problem. And most of the time people are just looking for a digital product to save them time or save them money or help them make money or help them achieve a dream or achieve something. So they are not looking for something like huge, they're just looking for something that is going to solve a specific problem. And most digital products, they are not actually solving anything. Some people just think that it's just like create anything random, any digital product, any checklist, and this is gonna sell like hotcakes, and that's not how it works. So take your time thinking about that product, and most of the time at least, so don't be afraid to niche down. And actually what I've done when I was starting out, I was actually solving my own problems with Notion templates and Canva templates, and then I will turn that into a product. So it turns out that other people have the same problems that I have, and one of those templates, it became a bestseller and it sells really well. So you only need a product that really solves a problem, but don't be discouraged if you don't know which product this is yet. If you just like confused and overwhelmed, don't worry, you just have to move and create something, and things are gonna get clearer and clearer as you take action. And as you start publishing your products, you're gonna start to collect data, you're gonna start to collect feedback, and you can improve based on that. If you are tired of feeling completely overwhelmed and confused on your digital product business, go in the description right now and grab your 111 Clarity Challenge. This is a template that I created for you to help you to decide and get clear on some key things on your business. Who is your ideal customer? Define your digital product suite and choose a selling platform and marketing strategies and all that. So this is gonna give you the clarity that you need to take action and stop procrastinating. The link is in the description. This is made in Notion and it's completely free. Just grab the link and start the challenge today. The next thing that is super important to make daily sales on your shop is to have a cohesive branding on your shop. So this is the first impression that your customer have when they come across your listing or your product or your shop, and this includes all your images, your colors, and the quality of the images that you are using. So make sure you invest some time, especially creating the product images, because this is how your customer are going to decide if they are going to buy from you or not. And not only the visuals are important, but you also need to show your customer how your product helps them and how this product is going to help them achieve what they want to achieve, or it will help them save money or save them time. How does your product help them? And when you are creating your images for your digital product, try to focus more on the benefits and not so much on the features. So for example, instead of just saying, oh, this template has 500 pages and 20 bonuses and just telling how many things are included, focus on, oh, this page is going to help you save some money to buy your first house, or this template is going to save you so much time from looking for content ideas to post on your social media, and show them exactly how this template helps. How does your product help them, instead of just telling the features, because the features are important, but you can just put all the features in one page and focus on the benefits on the other ones. And last but not least is promote your digital products using SEO-based platforms. So this is something that makes your shop more sustainable when it comes to sales. So it doesn't need you like showing up every single day like on Instagram, for example. So here are some examples of SEO based platforms that you can use. So Pinterest is a great platform because you can use keywords and can be found. Is a visual search engine. Is not a social media. You can also use TikTok. TikTok also has a lot of SEO, and you can also use YouTube Shorts or YouTube videos. And even though these types of content, most of them, they take quite a while to be seen by the algorithm, by the search engines, they will keep showing up for a long time. So for example, I have pins that are still bringing traffic to my website, and I created them over 2 years ago, and they are still bringing me traffic. So I have YouTube videos that bring me sales, even though I made a video like 6 months ago. So this is something that keeps working for you, rather than Instagram, that it's a platform. Even though I like Instagram, I like to post stories and those things, is not a type of content that I love to post, because you just put a lot of energy in that type of content and the content dies after 2 days. You're never gonna get like a lot of views and sales coming from a post that you did a month ago or months ago. So this is the main difference. So if you are planning to create a marketing that is more sustainable, I would highly suggest for you to invest in these SEO based platforms, because they do take longer to get results, but they will sustain your business in the long term as well, if you do the SEO and everything right. If you are launching or scaling your digital product shop, make sure you grab the 1-on-1 clarity challenge that I made for you. This is gonna give you so much like clarity on what you need to do next, what you need to focus on your business right now, and this is absolutely free. So I hope you like this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.